Hey, 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 fabulous listeners. Welcome to a super special episode of the Branding Momentum Podcast. And guess what? Today we're celebrating a big milestone. Yours truly is turning a big 50. That's right. 50 trips around the sun, 50 years of fabulousness, 50 years of lessons, and all the things that I've learned in business and in life. So grab your favorite birthday treat, sit down, sit back. Let's dive into some wisdom nuggets that I've gathered along the way. Ever felt like you're spinning your wheels in business and in life and, learning the hard way over and over again? Well, buckle up because today I'm sharing 50 lessons that have shaped me, that saved me time, that saved me from pulling my hair out. And whether you're 35 or 25 or 75, there's something here for everyone. So the first lesson that I've learned is to be you, unapologetically you. Trying to be someone else is exhausting and it never works. And we gotta embrace our own quirks. Lesson number 2, learn to say no. Protect your time and your energy. And if it's not a hell yes, then it is a no. Number 3, invest in yourself. Courses, audiobooks, therapy, whatever it takes, you are your biggest asset. Number 4, delegate, delegate, and delegate. You can't do it all, and you shouldn't. Trust me, you shouldn't. Number 5, find your tribe. Surround yourself with people who actually uplift you and inspire you. Number 6, embrace failure. It is not the end. It's a stepping stone in your way. Every failure is a lesson in disguise, actually. It's just behind a little mask. Number 7, stay curious, never stop learning and growing. Curiosity actually keeps you young and it keeps you fresh. Number 8, balance is a myth. Life is messy, and that's it. Strive for harmony and not balance. 9, be kind. Always. You never know what battles other people are fighting within them. Yeah. Number 10, gratitude is everything. Practice gratitude daily. It shifts your perspective on yourself, but also on your potential clients and the people that are around you. So I get it. Running a business, balancing life, and trying to keep it all together can actually feel like juggling flaming swords and Game of Thrones kind of way. We've all had those days, where nothing seems to go right. Everything feels like it's, falling apart. But trust me, you're not alone. We've all been there. And the beauty lies in the journey, not just the destination. So my next one is 11. Trust your gut. Your intuition is powerful. Listen to it. 12. Set boundaries. They're essential for maintaining your sanity, right? 13. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait for, the big victories to celebrate. No, celebrate the small ones, the tiny ones. 14, stay humble. No one likes a know-it-all. Be open to learning from everyone, from anyone, even from the people that you don't like. Number 15, money isn't everything. It is important, but is not the key to happiness. 16, health is wealth. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Number 17, time is precious. Use it wisely, prioritize what truly matters. 18, be present. Put down the phone and be in the moment. 19, give back. Helping others actually enriches your lives in ways that you can't even imagine. And 20, laugh as often as you can. Laughter is the best medicine. And if you really ask me, I try to say I need to laugh at least once a day. Otherwise, I will know that I'm still alive and I am here. So are you actually ignoring these lessons? Trust me, I've been there too. Burnout, frustration, feeling stuck. It's not pretty. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always gotten. And nobody's got time for that. You might think, hustling 24/7 and doing everything yourself is the way to success. But let me tell you, it's a one-way ticket to Stressville. Yes, Stressville. And it ain't nobody gonna give time for that. And ain't nobody got time for that. So let me continue with my 21. Don't compare. Comparison is the thief of joy. It kills it. 22. Take risk. Playing it safe won't get you far. 23. Find your passion. It's the fuel that actually will keep you going. 24. Quality over quantity. In everything, in friends, in work, in content. 25. Be authentic. People can actually smell when you are fake miles away. 26. Keep it simple. Complexity, leads to confusion. Simplify whenever possible. 27. Stay organized because clutter creates chaos. 28. Ask for help. It's a sign of strength and it's not a weakness. So make sure you do ask for help. 29. Follow up. It shows that you actually care and it keeps you top of mind. 30. Rest is productive. Don't underestimate the power of a good nap or a siesta where I live. Yes, the new way about life is all about working smarter and not harder. And we got to embrace these lessons. And you'll see that as you go through them, you'll shift your mindset, your business, and the way that you actually see your life. It's like, trust me when I tell you that sometimes when you discover these things that are clicking into your head, it's like discovering that you've been playing a game on hard mode when you should have been on easy beginner, super easy, code. So let me continue with 31. Be patient. Success actually takes time. Don't rush the process. 32. Communicate clearly. Miscommunication leads to more miscommunication. 33. Be open to feedback. It's how we actually grow. 34. Network like a pro. Your network is your net worth. Yes, I know it's a cliche, but it is true. 35. Stay flexible. Life rarely goes according to plan. There's always plan B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever. Stay flexible. 36. Don't take things personally. It's usually not about you. 37. Set clear goals. Know where you're going and how you'll get there. Your path, your goal, your north. 38. Stay consistent. Small little actions over time lead to actually big results. 39. Be productive. Don't wait for things to happen. Make them happen. And 40 is have fun. If you're not enjoying it, then what is the point? And I want you to imagine a life where you are less stressed, more fulfilled, and actually enjoying the journey. I know it sounds dreamy, right? But if you actually embrace these lessons, you're not only gonna grow your business, but also gonna lead to a richer and more balanced life. So, 41, learn to pivot. Change is inevitable. Be ready to adapt to whatever is coming your way. 42, stay positive. A positive mindset actually attracts positive outcomes and positive people. 43, document everything. It saves times and prevents a lot of mistakes along the way. 44, be resourceful. Use what you have to get what you actually do want. So use it. 45, keep your word. Integrity actually builds trust with your business and with your life. 46, don't overthink. Action actually beats inaction every single time. So don't overthink the stuff. Or like I used to say a long time ago, don't sweat the small stuff. Great book, by the way. 47, practice self-care. You can't pour from an empty cup. You got to love yourself no matter what. If you don't love yourself, how the hell are you going to expect for people to love you, right? 48, stay true to your values. They are your guiding light. They are your guiding star. They are your north. Your values is who you are. 49, love what you do. Passion actually fuels, the perseverance that we all feel inside ourselves. And number 50 is going to be never give up. Resilience is the key to any success. So never, never, never give up. Okay? All right, my fabulous, beautiful, brand new momentum listeners. That's a wrap on this actually milestone birthday episode. And if these lessons, resonate with you, do me a favor. Share this episode with a friend who actually needs a little birthday wisdom boost. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow me on social media to get more tips and, of course, more laughs. And I'll see you when I see you. Until the next time. And keep shining and stay fabulous. And I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.